How to see who viewed your Facebook profile, and can you even do that? That's what we will answer in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So, as you might know, Facebook does actually allow you to view who has viewed your story, for example. However, uh, as of right now, it does not have the feature or the option that allows you to view who visited your profile. Of course, there are some apps and websites that claim to offer this service. However, I would advise you to stay away from them as they might be scams or harmful to your account and they are not officially agreed by Facebook. However, there's a new update that Facebook made, the professional or digital creator mode, that allows you to turn your profile to kind of a page. It gives you some features that page have, and one of these features is, let me show you. Let's navigate to the profile and let's turn the profile to a page by clicking on these three dots right here and click on this option that says turn on professional mode. So let's click on it. So essentially what will this mode do? It will give us some insights on the visitors of our profile. Let's click turn on. All right, this is supposed to be done right now. You will be redirected to a page to finish setting up your profile, but let's skip this step. Let's go back to our profile and refresh it. Come on, let's go. Let me refresh the profile. Okay, what's wrong with it? The internet speed is kind of slow, that's why it's doing this. Okay, now as you can see, the profile has been kind of changed. It has this see dashboard and advertisement button. It also say on the profile that it's a digital creator account, meaning that your profile now is being treated as a page slash profile. So what you need to do right here is you need to click on the see dashboard right here. And once you are here, scroll all the way down to the help and guidance section. From there, click on this option that says professional mode guide. And then scroll down and click on insights. Click view insights. And wait for the page to load. And as you can see right here, it says profile overview, the first section. It has this option that says see details. Click on it. Sorry guys for the internet speed today, it's really kind of laggy and slow. And here, yeah, as you can see in the discovery section, it says profile visits. However, as of right now, it says 8 people. As of right now, it only shows you the number of people uh, that visited your profile. It does not show you who viewed your profile. As I said, this update is still new, it's still a work in progress, so maybe Facebook will uh, get more details in the futures. So click on this I button. As you can see in the discovery, it shows you page visits at the bottom right here, the number of times your page was viewed. So as I said, maybe in the future Facebook will make an update and it will show us who has visited and seen your profile. But as of right now, as I said, there's no way for you to view that, unfortunately. As you know, Facebook is built on privacy to keep the privacy of its users, and letting others see who has viewed their profile is kind of something that goes against these terms and policies. But who knows, maybe they will do something about it in the future if they have seen or think that this is a useful feature that can be added to the app. So that was it for this video. That's how you can view who visited your Facebook profile, and you know the answer to that. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.